What is going on, guys? Bit of a different video. So today I'm going to show you every single fire alarm device in my basement, and we're going to count them up. So obviously this isn't my whole collection. I have a lot more upstairs, but this video is just solely for what is in the basement here. So not including exit signs, but all fire alarm devices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Let's see. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So, and I guess if you want to count the ionization detector. Oh, no. Wait. I know there's something over here. 39. Can we get 40? I guess not. Okay. Well, I guess that's 39, but I'll hopefully be... I do have a pulsation coming on the way, so that will make it 40. But yeah, so that's cool. I don't know. I was bored, so I decided to make this video. I don't even know if I'll upload this, but yeah. Peace out, guys.